Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online lecture MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT, Rajkot, Saurashtra University. Lecture number 3. Bba Sem 2 students. Subject Advanced Techniques of Business Mathematics. Subject code is 19BBA203. Unit number 4, Mathematics of Finance. In this chapter we cover this point. Today we discuss method number 5 and 6. All of you know in the previous lecture we complete method number 3 and 4. Annuity. First of all, annuity is a fixed amount payable and equal installment at equal intervals under a contract. The amount of annuity A is the sum of the all payments and the accumulated interest. Let P be the periodic payment of the annuity and I the rate of interest per payment period. Suppose the number of payments period is n, the first payment is due after one period, it will get interest for n minus 1 period and accumulated to A1. Similarly, for the payments, if A1, A2, A3, an, denote it the amount accumulated after n minus 1 year, n minus 2 year, n minus 3 year, and n periods. So the formula is the formula for using this A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 upon I. This formula we are using. So just remember this formula. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 upon I. All of you know P for principal, I for R upon n, 100, n is equal to time period, otherwise number of years. Now we calculate the question 1. Find the amount of annuity if rupees 5,000 is deposited annually at 15% compound rate of interest for 10 years. When you deposited annually, it means every year, repeated, it is called for annuity. Repeated amount जो आपने इन्वेस्ट करता हो तो it is called for annuity. Here the symbol P is equal to 5,000. I is equal to R upon 100, so 0.15. N is equal to 10. A is equal to question mark. First you write this point, then after we calculate the question. Next, we calculate this formula. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 upon I, putting the value 5000, 1 plus 0.15 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 0.15. Next step, 5000 into bracket 1.15 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 0.15. After that, (5,000) into bracket 4.0456 minus 1 upon 0.15, and finally you calculate in the calculator 1,01,520 is the final answer. Check it. Now another questions, we calculate the question number 2. A person deposits rupees 500 at the end of every month. Here the word is every month. So it is annuity. The rate of interest is 12% compounded monthly. Find the total amount he will receive after 35 years. Here the information was given this value take. So directly you are using when the 1.01 raised to 420, you get it, the answer is 63.97. We are using directly this value. Clear? So here the question, the main point is P is equal to 400, I is equal to R upon 100 K, because monthly, that means K is equal to 12. So 12 upon 100 into 12, so 0.01. N is equal to 35 years, so 35 into 12, 420. And A is equal to question mark. First you write the symbol, then after we calculate the question. After that, we applying the formula 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 upon I. P is equal to 400, (0.01) raised to 420 minus 1, 0.01, this step. After that 400 अब इन्वेडिशन करवानुं 1.01 raised to 420 minus 1 લખી નાખો આટલા સ્ટેપ. પછી આનો આન્સર આપણી પાસે અવેલેબલ છે, ક્વેશ્ચનમાં આપને આપેલો છે. લખાઈ ગયું. Now the next step is 400 into the bracket 63.97 minus 1 upon 0.1. Finally you get the answer is 25,18,800. Calculator માં check કરી જુઓ. This is the final answer. This is method number 5. Now the next one, method number 6. Present value of an annuity. The present value of an annuity is the sum of the total at the present values of the old installment payable at equal interval. Let's A be the annuity. For example, I is the rate of interest and N it's a number of years, and here V the required present value. So we are using this formula in this type of questions. V is equal to A into bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 upon I into bracket 1 plus I raised to n. Now write the formula. Okay, now we calculate the question number 1. Rajesh has to pay 10 installments each of 20,000 at the end of every year against a loan if the rate of interest is 10% per annum. Find the amount of the loan. So here we are applying the formula. First of all, symbol A is equal to 18,000, I is equal to R upon 100. Sorry, here A is equal to 20,000, I is equal to R upon 100, so 0.10, N is equal to 10, and V is equal to question mark. Okay, now we are applying the formula. V is equal to A into the bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 upon I into bracket 1 plus I raised to n. This is the main formula. Then apply the value 20,000 into bracket 1 plus 0.1 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 0.1 into bracket 1 plus 0.1 raised to 10. Very next step, 20,000 into bracket 1.1 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 0.1 1.1 raised to 10. 3 steps આવશે આ પ્રમાણે. Now the next step is 20,000 into the bracket 2.5937 minus 1 upon 0.1 and 2.5937, and you are solve this amount for calculator, so you get it the answer, final answer. 20,000 into multiply 1. Next step I am giving 20,000 into 1.5937, then divide by 0.1 into 2.5937. So you get it the final answer. One more questions we are calculate A person purchased a cycle and agreed to pay 6,000 cash and monthly installment of rupees 1,000, including interest to be paid at the end of every month for 3 years. If the rate of interest is 15%, then find the present value of the cycle. Here, clear the questions present value. Here, find the present value. So, in this question, first of all, we are giving the symbol. First symbol is A is equal to 1000, I is equal to R upon 100, so 0.15 divided by 12, because monthly was word using 0.0125. 0.0125. Then n is equal to 3 into 12, so 36. Okay. After that, we are using the formula V is equal to A into the bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 upon I into bracket 1 plus I raised to n. This is the main formula. Here A is equal to 1000, 1 plus 0.125 raised to 36 minus 1 upon 0.125 into bracket 1 plus 0.125 raised to 36. Very next step, આ બેને એડ કરવાના 1000 1.125 raised to 36 minus 1 upon 0.125 1.125 raised to 36. લખી લ્યો આખું સ્ટેપ. Now the next step is thousand into the bracket 1.5639 minus 1 upon 0.125 into the bracket 1.5639, and you get it. The final answer is 28,850. 47. Then after you add the present value 6,000. First we are paid the down payment, then 28,847. So finally you get 34,847. 34,847. ક્લિયર? હોમવર્કમાં ક્વેશ્ચન લખી લ્યો. Thank you.